my lovely students out there. I'm Arima Khanam and welcome back to Balajee online classes. I'm here to explain the chapter adjectives. This video is for 4th, 5th and 6th standard. This chapter is 10th and 9th chapter in 4th standard book. The chapter which I'm going to illustrate, adjective and comparison. And 6th chapter in 5th standard book and 7th chapter in 6th standard book. So let's get started. So let's study about adjectives. Students, can you tell me what are adjectives? As you have already studied about adjectives in your previous classes also, so I'm very sure you must be knowing what are adjectives. Adjectives are describing words. In short, we'll say that these are describing words that describes nouns or pronouns. It tells us more about nouns and pronouns. And in this video we'll be studying about the features of adjectives, where we can use adjectives. The first one is we can use them before nouns. हम लोग इसे noun से पहले use कर सकते हैं. For example, a strong rope, a beautiful curtain. तो जैसे curtain है, it is noun and beautiful is used before it, so that is an adjective because we are describing the noun curtain. And how is it? It is beautiful. So I hope you must have understood. The next point is an adjective can occur after the verb be form, that is, am, are, was, were, been. ये सारे के बाद यूज होता है. जैसे after these words it is used. For example, the rope is strong. जैसे मैंने be form बताया, that it can be is, are, am. तो the rope is strong. Butterflies are colorful. The third form is feature is most adjectives can come after the adverb very. Very जो word है, जैसे very beautiful, very handsome, very gorgeous, जैसे आप लोग use करते हो, तो it can occur or it can come after the adverb very. जैसे very intelligent, very cold, very beautiful, very tasty, as you say to your food or you describe your food. So the next point is that we will be studying about adjectives, the different types of adjectives, its kind. The first one is adjectives of quality. The adjective of quality tells us about the quality of something. जैसे आपको किसी भी चीज की क्वालिटी बताते हो, they answer the question what kind, कि किस तरह की है वो चीज. For example, there were white swamps in the lake. तो जो swamps थे वो किस क्वालिटी के थे? They were white. Remember, students, the colors, whatever colors we see around us, they all are adjectives. The next one is adjectives of quantity or number. Adjectives of quantity or number answers the question how much, kitna. These are usually used with uncountable nouns. ये कब यूज होते हैं? जब हम किसी चीज को या किसी नाउन को काउंट नहीं कर सकते हैं. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, गिव मी सम वाटर. जैसे वाटर को आप काउंट नहीं कर सकते हो, दैट्स व्हाई वी यूज वर्ड सम. सम इज एडजेक्टिव ऑफ क्वांटिटी और नंबर. वी आर टेलिंग द यूनिट. The next one is demonstrative adjectives. What are demonstrative adjectives? We have already studied demonstrative words are this, that, these, those. So ये वाले वर्ड जो अब हम adjectives के फॉर्म में यूज करते हैं, तो these are demonstrative adjectives. For example, this kite is not mine. कौन सी kite मेरी नहीं है? Kite को आप specifically specify कर रहे हो कि ये वाली kite मेरी नहीं है. I don't like those curtains. Curtains को आप कैसे describe कर रहे हो कि those specifically those curtains are, I don't like. I hope you must have understood. The next one is possessive adjectives. Possessive, you know, shows possession or belongings. मालिकाना हक बताते हैं. Possessive adjectives answers the question whose, किसका. They show possession, belonging or ownership, कि ये चीज किसकी है। हर सूटकेस इज नॉट प्रॉपरली लॉक्ड, तो किसका सूटकेस लॉक नहीं है, हर्स या हर। The next point is that we are going to study about the most important part of adjective, that is the comparison. Adjectives can be put into three categories based on their comparison. When you are using an adjective to describe something, that is the positive form, like these curtains are beautiful. तो the beautiful word is positive form. जब आप स्पेसिफिक कर्टन को किसी चीज से कंपेयर करते हो, दैट द कर्टन इज कंपेयर्ड टू समथिंग और देयर इज अ कंपैरिजन बिटवीन two things. When we make comparison between two things, that is the comparative form, and we probably use er or more to it. I mean we use er after the adjective or more before the adjective. The last one is superlative. What do we do in that? We add est to it when we make comparison between or among two or more things, more than two things. That is the superlative form, and we usually add est to it or sometimes we use most to it. जैसे कि brightest, shortest, coldest, etc. तो स्टूडेंट्स, आपको मैं ये बताना चाहूँगी, वैसे तो आप लोग ये फर्दर क्लासेस में पढ़ोगे, बट व्हेन डू वी यूज IER और ER और more in comparative form, या IEST, EST और most to the superlative forms. ये जो जब आप कंपैरिजन करते हैं तो हम ER या EST हम लोग उसके सिलेबल के अकॉर्डिंग हम ये वर्ड्स और लेटर्स या प्रीफिक्सेस या सफिक्सेस यूज करते हैं. जैसे कि द वर्ड ब्यूटीफुल, हाउ मेनी सिलेबल्स आर देयर, जैसे कि आप उसको तोड़ तोड़ के कैसे बोलते हो, ब्यूटी फुल, तो देयर आर 3 सिलेबल्स. जब 3 या 3 से ज्यादा सिलेबल्स एक वर्ड में यूज होते हैं तो हम उसमें मोर या मोस्ट का यूज करते हैं. We use more or most before the adjectives, or if there are less than 3 syllables, there are 2 syllables or 1 syllable in a word, we use IER or IEST or ER or EST. Have understood the chapter adjectives and how to make comparison between two or more than two things, how to use adjectives in positive form, comparative form or superlative form. So before doing the exercises, what you need to do is download the exercises from School Mitra and do it the same way as it is done in the PDFs. Do watch my video, read the chapter thoroughly and then start doing your exercises. Till then, take care of yourself and stay at home. Bye bye.